Hey guys, I am getting ready to do an unboxing video for you of our new Diamond Art My Besties candy cane. And I got it in the mail as our sample, and I'm going to open this up and share with you guys what's inside. Okay, see what we get. Okay, it looks like you get a chart that tells you all of the numbers and colors and the image and where they go. And this looks like these are our tools. I don't know if you've ever done one of these before. I have not, but I am so excited. I can't wait to start doing it. Okay, let's see what's in here. Whoa. Okay. Put that over there. These look like these are all of our beautiful, beautiful stones. This is just so amazing that your art can be taken and transferred into something this fantastic. Wow, look at that. That is just amazing. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, how beautiful is that? Oh, and this color. Ooh, beautiful. Okay. So let's see what the picture looks like. You guys get to open this with me. This is the first time I've seen it myself. Oh, wow. This is huge. This is huge. Look at this. How fantastic is that? And so each one of these little stones goes in each one of these places. I can't wait to start this and share this with you guys. I'm going to be doing some live videos on it as I'm doing it. So if you want to get one and diamond art with me, you can. I'm going to put a link below on where you can get it and order yours. I know they have a discount on it. I heard one of the girls say that there's a coupon discount code. So as soon as you guys get a chance, run on over and get yours, because I know they're limited editions. There's only a limited amount that they manufacture of each one. So thanks so much for watching and joining me, guys, and I can't wait to start this adventure with you guys. Thanks so much.